Good morning. Tuesday, and I've just harvested my garlic. Some big ones, some small ones. And the strange thing is, look at that, there's a bump in there. And in there was one little bump coming. In here, halfway up the stem, looks like it's a scape, but usually the scapes, they come out the top here. All of these garlic have got these sort of bulbs halfway through the stem. All of them. There's another one there, it's a smaller one. You see it perfectly there. So, I don't know what it is. Looks like it's rather solid. Perhaps it's other little garlic bulbs. I'll see if I can eat them as well. So that's the small garlic harvest that I've got. So I'll have to get them cleaned up and dried off. Didn't plant all that much. We don't eat much garlic. And I forget what variety this was. But it's sufficient for me. Garlic with mystery. So the bulbs growing halfway up the stem. If you know what it is, then let me know. I'd be interested to find out. So they are in this little box. I'll dry them off, then clean them up. But I also have to say that I had to pick some of my onions because they're beginning to fall over. And I've got them here drying as well. Some of them are quite nice, but lots of them are small. It has been a very strange sort of warm year, another year where there's been no rain and really hot temperatures, and I think that onions in particular, they suffer due to that. But this is perhaps about a quarter of the onions that I have grown, sturon. Some of them are quite nice, these ones here, but not as big as I expected. But still good eating in them. That's the garlic and the onions.